Here's a quick video on how to set up and use a Mantis Laser Academy kit so you can do your morning routine dry practice. So, starting, I use 9mm Glock. This is a Glock 34. It's had a little bit of custom work done to it, but you'll remove the magazine, right? Now then, you need two hands to clear it, so let's get a hold of that. Sorry about that. And clear it out. No live rounds in it. Pick it on the out of the floor here. Now then, this is pretty easy. Comes with the correct cartridge laser caliber. You see you can get it for 5.56, 40, 380, 45, or this one is 9mm. Come in here and you just drop the cartridge in the barrel. So you get that there. Put your little cartridge that it comes with in the barrel there. It's kind of difficult one-handed, but it's done. Drop the slide and it's in, right? And now we know the barrel is clear. Cartridge is in it. See if you can see you can see the dot there on camera. So the little red dot comes on just to shake awake. But you look over there on the floor, you'll see a laser up here. Boom, right? And then you gotta rack the slide and boom, right? Rack it. Boom. Just like that. So now then I'll have to use the phone for the next part. But you set up your little tripod with your phone holder on it, and there's an app on the cell phone that then looks at your targets. And it's got these little things in the corners that show you that, so the app recognizes the target, and there's a controller on them, right? So you just shoot the start stop button and then it brings it up. I use the hostage target a lot because it's a difficult shot and it gives me practice for my draw. It sets that all up nicely and I can do draw practice and practice running my red dot. Then when you're done, it comes with this little wooden stick here. It says Mantis on it, but all that's for is you take it down the end of the barrel with the slide open and it knocks the little laser cartridge out because it doesn't have anything for the extractor to get a hold of, and take that out. Then they also sell these, which you can put in the top of your magazine and make it so that you can use the magazines to train and run the slide and have a mag in it, do mag changes. Me, I make resin cast mags, so they're just, it's got a little clay left in it from where I made it, but they're just little hard resin magazines, but they set right in because they're cast directly off of a Glock mag, but they're a different color, so you know that they are dummies, right? So got a couple of those for my training. Alright, that's it. Just a quick thing. Show you how to use the Mantis system for your dry fire for your pistol. But that's all there is to it. And then you use the app and shoot the targets and get your practice in. So, simple, easy to do. Good way to increase your skills. And you never know when or why you might need those, if you know what I mean. Good luck, guys.